So hey guys, in this video we are going to solve one problem, which is we are going to learn one new concept. Okay, so that pairs of curve intersect each other orthogonally. This is very important. Okay, orthogonally. So orthogonally, what you are going to prove? Two things by two ways you can prove. The first way is to find the phi 1 and phi 2 value and take the difference of both. If we are getting pi by 2, then it is what orthogonally they intersect. Very simple. Phi 1 and phi 2 means first curve it will be phi 1 value, second curve you can take it as phi 2 or vice versa is also possible because we are taking the modulus. That means only positive value you will be getting. Okay, so pi by 2 if you are getting, so here it is show that means you have to automatically prove, right? You have to get it the value of pi by 2 directly. Second way is to find here what we can do, it is quite simple. Tan phi 1 into tan phi 2 is equal to minus 1. We have to find. We have to prove. Tan phi 1 and phi 2. How we will be getting? See, we will be getting cot phi 1 and cot phi 2, right? From cot phi 1 and cot phi 2, we can get the value of tan and reciprocal if you take, you will be getting tan phi 1 and tan phi 2. So second method is quite simple. Okay, we have to learn first method also. Why we have to learn first method? Because in first method this can be utilized to find the angle between the curves. Two curves, if you have to find the angle, next question will be doing, there you have to apply the first formula. Okay, so both the things you remember. So this particular question I'll show you both the procedures, both the ways. Okay, so let us start. The basic thing is to find first the 5 first to find say basic thing is to first to follow the simple procedure. We have done that procedure. What you have to take first, both simultaneously we'll be doing. Okay, both the things we have to take the log. So taking log on both sides, so both the curves will be taking simultaneously. So log on both sides in the sense it will be log r is equal to log of a into 1 plus cot theta. Fine. After that, here this particular thing and this particular thing also log we have to take. I will use some other pen. So it will be log of r is equal to log of b into 1 minus cos theta. Now after getting log, we have to simplify these two functions, right? So if you observe carefully, this particular thing, there are two functions involved. First function we can observe a is there, second function 1 plus cos theta is there. Here also first function b is there, then 1 minus cos theta is there. Which formula can be applied here? We have the formula, whenever it's a multiplication log m into n, two functions multiplied, it can be written as log m plus log n. This particular formula can be utilized here. Okay, log r as it is equal to log first function a plus log 1 plus cos theta, right? Here also same thing. What we can do, log r as it is log b plus log of 1 minus cos theta. Simple. After getting, so we have simplified the function, okay, using what log properties and all. Next thing we have to take differentiation. We have to do the differentiation. That particular thing we'll write. So differentiating with respect to theta we are going to do here. Remember it is with respect to theta. So first function will differentiate. So first equation, if you observe, log r is there. What is r here? But with respect to theta we have to differentiate. Log r differentiation is what? 1 by r, because we have studied the formula for log. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. The same thing. So I'll just write over here. Log x differentiation we are having 1 by x differentiation. Okay. With respect to x, so they are differentiating, but here it is with respect to theta, so 1 by r. So again you have to differentiate r with respect to theta. This is very important. Is equal to, now here a is a constant value, b also is a constant value. R is not a constant, we are considering the polar curves, r is a variable. So log a becomes a constant, it becomes 0, plus log of something, it will become 1 by that something, 1 plus cos theta, into differentiation of this particular something. Again we have to do, this is nothing but the chain rule, right? So on the right side what happens, log r differentiation, as we have discussed, it is 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to 0, log b becomes 0, plus log here also same thing, 1 by 1 minus cos theta into differentiation of that particular thing with respect to theta. Done. Now we'll simplify. So 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to 0, we can avoid, 1 plus cos theta differentiation. 1 differentiation is 0 and cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta. So it becomes minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Simple. Now here, coming to this part, again the same thing, 1 by r dr by d theta equal to, here 1 minus cos theta is there. Be careful, 1 minus is there. So cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta and one more minus is sitting. So it will become plus sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Simple. Now we have to understand one thing. This particular 1 by r dr by d theta can be written as cot phi. Very important. We have already studied that, cot phi. So cot phi is equal to minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Simple. Here also the same thing. Cot phi can be written as sin theta by, cot phi equal to, not written as, cot phi equal to sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. Now this particular thing, both cannot be phi phi, it will become the same angle. So what we are going to do, this we are going to take it as phi 1 and this particular thing we can take it as phi 2. Very simple. Okay. Now as I said, we are having two methods. After this we can go by the first or second method. First method is to find the phi 1 and phi 2 values from these two. That needs quite a few steps more. And second method is to directly take the tan of this. Tan means reciprocal of cot. So you can directly get tan from here. So what will happen? Let us try to analyze. If I take tan phi 1, it will become reciprocal of this. So it will become 1 plus cos theta by minus sin theta. Simple. Here if you take tan phi 2 will be equal to reciprocal 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Now, as we have discussed, I actually already said that tan phi 1 into tan phi 2, you should get it as minus 1. Then only you can say that these two these two curves intersect each other orthogonally. Okay. So if you multiply these two, what will happen? Tan phi 1 into tan phi 2 is equal to, phi 1 value just write is 1 plus cos theta divided by minus sin theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Now you will ask me, how will we be getting minus 1? So this is a problem students will do. As soon as they get a cot phi 1, they directly just multiply, take tan and just multiply it. Thing is that we have to simplify this. That is the main thing. So if you are writing, no problem, we have to simplify this also as well as this also. Then only you can get the answer correctly. As soon as you are getting cot phi 1 and cot phi 2 in some form which is not in the form of cot or tan, okay, we have to bring it in that form. That particular form we have to bring it, then only we can directly cancel it. So this particular step always remember, that's why I have written here, because students will make a mistake here, directly they will try to analyze. Now they will be stuck over here, because after this they don't know what to do. It is not getting cancelled. The thing is that we have to then what we have to do? We have to convert this particular thing into other form using trigonometric formulas. Let us try to analyze that. This can be written as what? We have already studied. Sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Very simple, we have already discussed, but still I will tell you that we are applying the formula for cos 2 theta formula. We have 2 sin theta into cos theta. Angle, I need cos sin theta, just theta I need. Here it is 2 theta. So I will divide this particular angle by 2. Angle by 2, not the functions by 2. I am telling you angle by 2. So what happens? It will be sin theta equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Simple. This particular thing I have applied over here. Simple. Next. Divided by 1 plus cos theta. Directly remember, you can write it as 2 cos square theta by 2. If it is 1 minus cos theta, it is 2 cos square. If it is 1 minus cos theta, it is 2 sin square theta by 2. How we are getting that? Try to analyze here. We know that cos 2 theta formula, it is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. We have studied. We have three formulas, important formulas for cos 2 theta. In that, in terms of cos, they are having. So if I send minus 1 that side, what will it become? It will become plus sign. So 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. But I need 1 plus cos theta. So divide this angle by 2. I am telling you angle by 2. Everywhere angle by 2. So 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. The same has to be applied here, right? That's why I want this one. Now here 2 and 2 get cancelled. 1 cos theta by 2 and 1 cos theta by 2 cancel. So what is remaining? Cot phi 1 is equal to minus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Now if you observe on the RHS part, what you can see, again cos phi by 2, oh sorry, cot phi 2 can be written as, sin theta can be written as what we have already studied, 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, very simple, divided by 1 minus cos theta, as I said, we can write it as 2 sin square theta by 2, very simple. So 2 cancel, 1 sin theta, 1 sin theta by 2 cancel. So what is remaining? Cot theta by 2 by sin theta by 2, right? So cot phi 2 is remaining as cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2. Now, as we have discussed that we can go by two methods I've said. Now we can take tan and tan. Here also, this step also you can take tan phi 1 and tan phi 2. It will get directly cancelled, right? So I'll show you that part. Taking now tan, it will become cos phi theta by 2 by minus sin theta by 2, tan sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Now if you multiply both, you will be getting the answer as minus 1. You would have done in say this step itself. You can take from this step itself tan phi 1. It is not necessary first to cancel, because you can directly see it will get cancelled. So this particular thing I'll do it. Tan phi 1 into tan phi 2 is equal to cos theta by 2 by minus sin theta by 2 into sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. So you can see this and this cancel, this and this cancel, 1 minus sin is remaining, you can write it as minus 1. Therefore, we can prove it as both intersect orthogonally. Simple. This is the simplest way. The next way is also simple only, but the thing is that few more steps it requires, because you have to find the value phi 1 and phi 2. So let us do that. So I hope this first step or the second step you understood. Cot phi 1 is equal to, this can be written as sin by cos is what? Tan. So tan theta by 2 Here this particular thing becomes cot phi 2 is equal to, cos by sine is cot, so cot theta by 2. So here you can directly cancel cot and write the phi 2 value as what, theta by 2. But here tan is sitting. Tan what to do? So you can write this particular thing. Cot phi 1 is equal to cot 90 plus theta. Okay, because you have to understand here one formula which is nothing but, if you are writing cot 90 plus theta, it is equal to minus tan theta. Minus tan theta. Okay. If it is cot 90 minus theta, it is tan theta. This particular formula you have to understand. So here it is in cot form, cot and cot is gone. So what is phi 1 value we are getting? It is pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Then after getting phi 1 and phi 2, we have to find the angle of intersection using the formula phi 1 minus phi 2. So that particular thing, what happens, let us see. So angle of intersection phi 1 minus phi 2. How to find? It is equal to phi 1 we know value, pi by 2 plus theta by 2 minus phi 2 value theta by 2. Right? So this and this gone. What is left out? Pi by 2. So as we have discussed, this formula is for angle of intersection. If the angle of intersection is 90 degree pi by 2, then it is orthogonally intersecting. Okay, this is the second method. A few more steps it requires, but it is also fine. You can proceed with this method also, because this method can be utilized in other problem also, because other problems, numericals, we are having the questions to find out the angle of intersection between two curves. So there you can apply this particular formula. So it is good for you to practice this kind of problem. Otherwise you can take tan itself. You would have taken tan in this step also, but if you take in tan in this step, then you have to simplify. That is also fine. You can take tan phi 1, phi 2, then simplify, then this thing. Otherwise, simplify first, then you multiply. Okay. Because after simplifying, if you are not trying to, if you are not getting, if you are not able to cancel it, then you can proceed and do this phi 1 and phi 2 thing. Okay.